I like that. Let's do that one again. Huckle, buckle, thumbs. All right. Oh, we lost some makeup. Okay. You'll get that back at the end. Huckle, buckle, knuckle. Huckle, buckle, elbows. Gentle, gentle. Okay, be gentle. Huckle, buckle, back. Okay, this is the big one. This is the big one, you guys. Huckle, buckle, buckle. All right, very good. Okay, go back to your sides. Nice work. Here we go. Huckle, buckle, knees. Easy, easy, easy. All right. Okay. So we always have to do this one. Huckle, buckle, butt. All right, you guys want to do one more? All right, we'll do one more. Let's finish it with huckle, buckle, buckle. Nice work. All right.